Today I'm going to test out this car cleaning gel I got on Amazon. My car is filthy. I'm embarrassed to even show you guys this. Gross. We're going to try this gel. It's supposed to get into all those tight places and clean up all those crumbs. So let's see how this works. So I've opened it up. Looks like, you know, when you were a kid and you played with gack? I don't know, maybe I'm just old. But that's what it looks like to me. It's kind of gooey. It says it's reusable, but after I get done with it, I don't think I'm going to want to reuse it. So I just pulled off a little piece of it so I don't waste all of it. You can use it in your vents, I guess, so it seems to work pretty well, actually. So far, I really like it to clean in the vents and around the shifter. So I think my verdict on the car gack is it works great to clean up dust and to get in hard to reach places like your vents and around any of the little tiny knob areas like this. But if you've spilled anything in your cup holders, it's not really going to clean that up. I would probably give it a 4 out of 5. I think it's pretty awesome, depending what you're going to use it for. If you want to get your own, I'll leave a link in the description here for this universal dust cleaning gel.